What is up, guys? This is Zach and Grayson with Dreamedia Home Theater. Today we're going to be putting in a Q9F 75-inch TV with a Samsung no-gap wall mount. We're going to replace this stand with a new stand over here, and I'll show you guys what it looks like whenever we complete the work. Thanks for watching. Here's what's inside. You can see it has the Connect 1 cable, the power cord to the Connect 1, the remote, little Connect 1 cable ties, as well as the batteries and a little accessory kit guide. This is the Q9F. Comes with a stand. We're going to be using the wall mount today. Alright guys, so you can see Grayson has the mount attached to the back of the TV. This is proprietary, specifically designed for this TV, which is why it fits so perfect. And it's kind of like recessed into the TV, which is how there's no gap, versus one that would mount into the traditional bolting positions of the TV. And then over here, I just went ahead and got the height from the customer, as well as marked out our studs. We got it stud here, standard 16-inch stud placement. Center of the wall is a little bit further to the right, but we'll only be about 1.5 inches off to hit center and still be into 2 studs, which is very important with a TV this heavy. This is the exact model, QN75 Q9 FNAF.